welcome back. Ni hao and dobrodošli nazad. TechUtopia team will be testing today the KiiBOOM Phantom 81 version 2. A beautiful keyboard, guys. In this detailed review, we'll explore the innovative features and high-quality craftsmanship that make the Phantom 81 V2 a standout choice for gamers, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. So, let's start with the design and build of the Phantom 81, constructed with a gasket mount and a PC mounting plate. This keyboard is built to last. The gasket mount ensures optimal durability and longevity, while the PC mounting plate provides stability and support for every keystroke. But what truly sets the Phantom 81 version 2 apart is its unique aesthetic appeal. The south-facing LEDs create an mesmerizing lighting effect, casting a futuristic ambience over your workspace or gaming setup. And with its crystal clear acrylic frame, the Phantom 81 V2 strikes the perfect balance between minimalistic design and high functionality. I have to admit, one of the most unique keyboards so far that I saw. One of the standout features of the Phantom is its popular hot swapping technology integrated into its upgraded colored PCB. This allows for easy customization and modification of the keyboard to suit your unique needs. Whether you are a hardcore gamer or a productivity enthusiast, the Phantom 81 V2 can be tailored to match your style and preference. The plate-mounted stabilizers further enhance your typing experience, providing a sturdy and consistent feel to each keystroke. With the Phantom 81 V2, you can enjoy a personalized typing experience like never before. But the customization options don't end there. The Phantom 81 offers triple modes of connectivity: Type-C wired, Bluetooth 5.2 and 2.4G, ensuring optimal adaptability for every user and situation. Whether you prefer the reliability of a wired connection or the freedom of the wireless one, the Phantom has you covered. Plus, with its included 4000 mAh battery, you can enjoy long hours of uninterrupted use without worrying about running out of the power. Switching between modes is quick and effortless, allowing for efficient multitasking and speedy performance in any scenario. The Phantom 81 V2 also features an upgraded PC polycarbonate plate designed to harmonize with the gasket mount system, further enhancing the keyboard's performance and your typing experience. This unique mounting style provides a pleasant typing sound and a slightly flexible, cushioned feel on each keystroke, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Combined with the gasket mount, the PC plate ensures that typing experience that is both soft and consistent, making the Phantom 81 V2 a joy to use for extended periods. In conclusion, the KiiBOOM Phantom 81 V2 is an exceptional piece of tech that offers impressive features, unmatched customization options, and unparalleled performance. Whether you are a gamer or a professional or an enthusiast, this keyboard has everything you need to elevate your typing experience to the next level. So why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary with the Phantom 81? Upgrade your setup today and discover the difference that the Phantom 81 V2 can make in your daily workflow or gaming sessions. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Like always, the purchase links are below, and if you don't like it, don't buy it. Move on. مع السلامة.